Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore your Google Gemini activity. If your main menu is shown, go find Activity on the left near the bottom. If it's not shown, it probably looks something like this. Click on the three-line menu to show your main menu. If you click on Activity at the bottom, it will take you to a separate page where all of your activity that you haven't deleted already is stored. You can look up information about that. Here, prompted, I am a junior in high school taking AP Literature. Please summarize for me Dr. Heidegger's Experiment by Nathaniel Hawthorne. I modified this response to make it more professional and longer. More about those options in a separate video. But you can kind of see all of your Google Gemini activity, and if you want to, you can even delete them from this page. You can also delete them from the main Gemini page under Recent, but if you are checking all of your activity and you want to delete them from here, you can do that as well.